Hello friends, I hope you are all doing great. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Wide Loop Bytes. In this video, we are going to learn how to set up LVGL with ESP32 using Arduino IDE. LVGL is a powerful graphics library that helps us to create a beautiful user interface for embedded display like TFT and LCD. I will show you step by step how to install the libraries, configure LVGL and run your first GUI on ESP32. Let us get started step by step. Here is what we are working with: an ESP32 Dev Kit V1 board and an ILI9341 2.8-inch TFT LCD display. Now let us wire the TFT LCD to the ESP32 board step by step. First, connect the VCC pin of the LCD to the VIN pin of the ESP32 and connect the ground pin to the ground. Connect the chip select pin to the GPIO 15 and RST pin to the GPIO 4 and DC pin to the GPIO 2. For the SPI communication, connect the MOSI pin to the GPIO 23rd and CLK pin to the GPIO 18th. MISO pin to the GPIO 19th. Finally, connect the LED pin to the 3.3 volt. After completing these connection, double check and wiring before powering up the board. Okay. This is the example code of LVGL and I will show you a demo. First, we will install the LVGL library. Go to the library manager and type LVGL here. Then press enter. Here you can see LVGL library version 9.5.0. Click on install. The library is now installing. Okay, the library has been installed. Now we will check the location where the library is installed. Go to the file and then click on preferences. Here you can see the sketchbook location. This is the location where the LVGL library has been installed. Now open the documents folder and go to Arduino. Next, open the libraries folder and then open the LVGL folder. Here you can see the lvconf template.h file. Now let us copy this file and paste into the project folder. Okay, now rename the file to lv_conf.h. You can see that the lv_conf.h file has been added to the project. Now we will make some changes inside the lv_conf.h file. Change this value from 0 to 1 to enable the content. Now we will enable the font size in the project so we can use them in our UI. Enable the font for 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34 and 36. Okay. Now all the changes are done. Next we will go to the .iono file. Now the code is ready to upload. Go to the tool and select the COM port. Here COM port 3 is selected, which is correspond to the ESP32. Next select the board. Choose the Do It ESP32 Dev Kit V1. Finally click on upload. The code is uploading. Okay, the code has been uploaded. Now you can see the display. It is showing the LVGL logo and text. That is really great. Wow. And that's it friends. I hope you enjoyed this project. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching and I will see you in next one.